come to get me a beet drink. A drink with some beets in it. Something green. I'm in Earth Fair getting me a juice with beets. I got beets, cucumber, apple, ginger, lemon, and kale and parsley. Yeah, I need some energy. Definitely need some energy. Hope everybody went out and voted or is going to go out and vote when you get off. The polls are open to 7. They say this is the most important. My beet juice, energy drink as I call it. Now I'm waiting to order some chicken salad whenever that can seem to happen.
That's what I'm getting.
Am I going to get asked anything? Hello? Hellos? Anybody? I don't know. They don't want to work. They don't want to come and ask if you want anything. Hi. I just wanted to get some chicken salad. Oh, the small one. Oh, which one? I guess the original one. The original chicken salad. Yes, ma'am. What's this one here? Am I? Oh, that's. Oh, okay. That's good enough. So that's my energy drink. No Monster for me, and whatever else they got for energy drinks out there. 5-hour energy drink. I took one of them 5-hour shots before, and I couldn't move for 5 hours. Like all my nerves was like this. I'm like, never again. And that was years ago, coming from Florida. Never took one again. Today it is. It's cloudy, but it's still a nice day. I got my juice, my energy drink, chicken salad, leaving out of Earth Fair, ready to go.